How to use the 2023 recession to get rich. The global economic recession in 2020 has caused a lot of people to lose their jobs and homes. But what if I told you that this is the perfect time to make money and set yourself up for success in the future? How to invest. 1. How to invest. Many people think that investing during a recession is a risky move. However, if you know how to invest wisely, you can actually make a lot of money during a recession. 2. How to save money. One of the best ways to become rich is to save as much money as possible. During a recession, many people are forced to cut back on their spending. This presents an opportunity for those who are willing to save money. By saving as much money as possible during a recession, you can put yourself in a great position to become rich. 3. How to start your own business. Another great way to get rich during a recession is to start your own business. When businesses are struggling, it can be a great time to start your own company. With less competition, you have a greater chance of success. Additionally, people are often looking for ways to save money during a recession, so starting your own business can be a great way to provide them with what they need. Information about the economic recession. The economic recession is a time when the economy slows down and people lose their jobs. It can be a difficult time for everyone, but there are some ways that you can use the recession to get rich. One way to get rich during the recession is to invest in stocks. When the economy is doing well, stock prices go up. However, during a recession, stock prices usually go down. This gives you the opportunity to buy stocks at a lower price and then sell them when the economy improves and stock prices go back up. Another way to get rich during the recession is to start your own business. This can be a riskier venture, but it can also be very profitable if done correctly. During a recession, many people are looking for ways to save money. If you can start a business that provides a service that helps people save money, then you will be successful. The key to getting rich during the recession is to take advantage of opportunities. Investing in stocks and starting your own business are two great ways to do this. If you can find other opportunities as well, then you will be even more successful. What happened in 2008? The recession of 2008 was caused by a number of factors, including the housing market bubble burst, the subprime mortgage crisis, high oil prices, the collapse of Lehman Brothers. These factors led to a decrease in consumer spending, which caused a decrease in economic activity. This led to job losses and a decrease in wages. The recession of 2008 was a difficult time for many people. However, it also presented opportunities for those who were willing to take risks. For example, many people lost their jobs during the recession. However, some people used this opportunity to start their own businesses. This allowed them to become their own boss and earn more money than they had before. In addition, the stock market crash of 2008 created opportunities for investors who were willing to buy stocks at low prices. These investors made a lot of money when the stock market recovered. If you are looking to get rich during the next recession, you need to be willing to take risks. Consider starting your own business or investing in the stock market. These are just two of the many ways that you can make money during a recession. How will it affect 2023? The recession has had a significant impact on the economy and on people's finances. The good news is that it has also given people the opportunity to change their financial habits and to invest in their long-term wealth. Here are some tips on how to use the recession to your advantage. 1. Make the most of debt consolidation. Debt consolidation can help you to reduce your monthly payments, which can save you money in the long run. 2. Use income tax cuts to fund long-term investments. If you are able to use tax cuts to save money now, you will be in a much better position to make investments that will increase your wealth over time. 3. Invest in yourself and your future. Education and training can help you find new jobs or start your own business. This is an excellent way to create wealth over time and build a lasting legacy. 4. Save for a rainy day. A rainy day fund can help you cover unexpected expenses or emergencies, which can save you from difficult financial decisions in the future. 5. Get a loan for specific purposes, not just for general spending. Loans can be a great way to invest in specific products or businesses, which can. Who is affected by the economic recession? The economic recession has affected people of all ages and walks of life. Many people have lost their jobs, homes, and savings. The recession has also made it difficult for people to get loans and credit. However, the recession has also created some opportunities for people to get rich. For example, many businesses have gone bankrupt during the recession. This has created opportunities for people to buy these businesses for pennies on the dollar. The recession has also created opportunities for people to invest in real estate. Prices of homes and other property have fallen dramatically during the recession. This has created opportunities for people to buy property at a fraction of its former value. Overall, the recession has been a mixed bag for different people. While many people have been hurt by the recession, there are also opportunities for those who are willing to take risks. How has the economy changed since 2008? The economy has changed a lot since the recession in 2008. One of the biggest changes is the way that people are now using credit cards. Credit cards were once a major source of debt for many people. However, now they are being used more as a tool to help people save money. This is because many credit card companies offer rewards programs that give cash back or points that can be used for travel. Another change is the way that people are shopping. More and more people are choosing to shop online instead of in stores. This is because it is often cheaper and easier to find what you are looking for online. Finally, there has been a change in the way that people invest their money. Before the recession, many people invested in stocks and mutual funds. However, now more people are choosing to invest in real estate and other tangible assets. This is because these investments are often seen as being more stable and less risky than stocks and mutual funds. Interesting facts about the economic recession. The economic recession is one of the worst times to be in business. The odds are against you from the start, and the situation only gets tougher as time goes on. However, with a little knowledge and effort, you can still make a lot of money during this difficult time. Here are some interesting facts about the economic recession. The average American family lost over $5,000 in 2009. Businesses have been closing at an unprecedented rate since 2007. In 2009 alone, more than 150,000 businesses closed their doors. Unemployment has increased by more than 50% since the beginning of the recession. More than 16 million Americans have lost their jobs since 2007. Despite all of these challenges, there are still ways to make money during the economic recession. You just need to be prepared for tough competition and know how to capitalize on opportunities when they arise. Keep your eyes open and don't be afraid to take risks. That's what makes success in business so rewarding. Recession versus depression. What's the difference? There is a difference between a recession and a depression. A recession is a period of time when the economy slows down and there is less money available. A depression is a more severe economic downturn that can last for years. The current recession started in December 2007 and lasted until June 2009. During this time, the stock market crashed, unemployment rose, and many people lost their homes. However, there are some people who managed to get rich during the recession. They did this by investing in stocks, starting businesses, or finding other opportunities that were available during this time. If you want to get rich during the next recession, you will need to be creative and take advantage of any opportunities that come your way. 10 reasons why the next recession will be worse than this one. Since 2007, the world has been going through a recession. This recession is different than the other recessions we have had in the past because it is not ending anytime soon. In fact, there is a good chance that the next recession will be even worse than this one. There are 10 reasons why the next recession will be worse than this one. Here are those reasons. 1. The global economy is still struggling. 2. The debt crisis in Europe is getting worse. 3. There are more countries in crisis worldwide. 4. The U.S. debt situation is getting worse and worse. 5. Unemployment rates are continuing to rise all over the world. 6. There are more financial crises happening all the time. 7. We are seeing more natural disasters around the world, including earthquakes, tsunamis, and mudslides. 8. There is a lot of inflation going on right now, which makes things harder for people who live on a fixed income or who have debts that they can't afford to pay off fast enough. 9. We are seeing more terrorism happening all over the world, which makes people scared and paranoid about everything they do and where they go. 10. Our planet. Conclusion. The odds are that the next economic crisis will happen. Although the odds of a recession happening in the near future are slim, it's always important to be prepared for the worst. And that's why it's so important to learn how to use the recession to your advantage. If you're thinking of starting your own business, now is the time to do it. The economy is tough, but there are still plenty of opportunities out there. If you can find a good niche and get started quickly, you'll be on your way to beating the recession and making money hand over fist. There are also a number of ways to make money during the recession. If you're looking for a way to save money, look into coupon schemes or online shopping deals. If you're looking for ways to make money fast, consider investing in property or stocks. The key is to do your research and find something that will suit your needs. The recession isn't going to last forever, so take advantage of it while you can. Thanks for watching. See you on the next episode.